Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Rick back again. We have a very special video. I did almost the exact same video 7 months ago as my very first video ever on YouTube. This is still a very new channel and I want to make more videos like this to help you guys out in making the right choice. It will mean a lot to me if you guys can like the video and subscribe. Today, we are here with the new Powerbeats Pro colors: Spring Yellow, Cloud Pink, Glacier Blue, and Lava Red. Enjoy the quick unboxing. Up next, I'll be doing a comprehensive visual display of all the colors in detail. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Enjoy the video and I hope this helps you out in making your purchase. Thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it. Until the next video, take care.